Hey, this is HotWings97 here, and I'm just showing you my birds. That's my cockatiel Coco, that's my Alexandrian Bindi, and that's my galah. She's called Bella. Hey, Bella. Yeah. Most of them don't like being patted, and they're kind of scared of the camera. Coco gets a bit, doesn't bite hard, but Bella, she's nice. Normally. Shh, come on, gal. Come on up. Yeah. This is just my room. Yeah, they sleep in here every second night. Yeah, and I can take Bindi and Bella to the park, and yeah, they're awesome birds. Thanks for watching, and